Okay. So guys, welcome again to this Wednesday presentation. I'm your top leader and presenter, Vladislav Stefanov, and I'm going to share as much as I'm going to tell you and explain you in the best possible language about what is ARBCORE. Okay, so ARBCORE is a synchronized arbitrage, guys. I want you to remember this word. Synchronized arbitrage. It's a very unique arbitrage model that I haven't met and seen before. And since I mentioned earlier, I've been in crypto space since 2017, okay, full time. I will tell you 3-4 years back, there was an arbitrage that was very popular, and everyone probably knows about it, familiar with the cycle arbitrage, okay? Circle or cycle arbitrage. But we're not doing that one, okay? We believe, why ARBCORE choose the synchronized arbitrage? Because we believe that this is the least risky arbitrage model, and also the best profitable. And that's what I'm going to share with you. So let's go to the next. Okay, I have to press. So ARBCORE is synchronized arbitrage. It's a strategy where two trades are executed at the same time on two different exchanges to profit from temporary price differences of the same asset while minimizing market risk. The foundational strategy requires the arbitrage accounts to maintain balances across two exchanges and execute trade simultaneously, guys. Remember this word, simultaneously, okay? USDT, example, USDT to Solana or Solana to USDT to capitalize price, disparities, price differences. Guys, can you mute yourself, please?
Yeah, guys, sorry, Vlad, just a second. Guys, especially Prabhu Krishnan, many people are muting themselves. Those who are, please mute yourself. Otherwise, Vlad, you can mute all. You have the host permission. You can click the mute all button. So everyone will be muted and you can unmute yourself and you can start the meeting.
Okay. Mute all. Yeah, I see it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. So ARBCORE is a synchronized arbitrage. Okay, so ARBCORE sync and arbitrage advantages: stable income and zero capital risk. And I'll talk about it a little bit later. Only execute qualified high profitability arbitrage security. Only execute a qualified high profitability. Okay, because we have our security bot. Okay, that is looking for only qualified and high profitability, deal trades. 100% transparency of arbitrage transactions. Okay, you can check the hash IDs, the transaction IDs, and verify them on chain. Eliminate critical price changes, double fees, and minimizing movement of funds, higher spread margin. So instant settlement of profit, scalable and sustainable. That's why we love so much about ARBCORE. Okay, so people are asking me, is it like a smart contract? Because we use SEX exchanges, okay, centralized exchanges, it's not good for the profitability, okay? It will not be like fast enough. But we have a smart contract and it's called like auto withdrawals, okay? It's a true smart contract. So once you set up your wallet address, automatically every 24 hours, your profits will be sent. That's, guys, amazing. I haven't seen anything like that. And I will tell you guys, we have one problem less, okay? Because you don't have to think every day about your funds coming. They're coming automatically directly to your wallet. And guys, isn't that amazing? I think yes. So ARBCORE, performance that defies logic. It's real arbitrage, real transparency, and real results. We're going to talk about more. So why it's real arbitrage, real transparency, and real results? Because it's 100% transparency of the arbitrage transactions, that you can check the transaction IDs that are verifiable on the chain, okay? It's 100% public and verifiable. So don't trust my words. You go and verify it and check it. Always do your own due diligence. Nobody takes responsibility for your own actions, okay, guys? I want everyone to be grown-ups. Most of us been in the space, for a while. So do your own due diligence. Don't trust my words. Don't trust any leader's words. Go, you have plenty of, information and proofs, and everything can be verifiable. So this is how it looks your back office. Once you top up your account, okay? Once you top up your account and see your funds, that's not enough. There will be a button, auto trading, that you have to manually click and press yourself. And then the bot automatically will be starting to looking for the next opportunity, for the next pool. So every fund, all funds that are coming to ARBCORE are immediately sent to the exchanges, to work, to the pools, to do its magic, okay? So here we can see on this screen, we see the pool cycles, okay? We see the pool creation, okay? The first, we see the pool creation on these slides. We see the best offers. We see the third one is ascending fund. We see 4, the arbitrage. We see 5, profits. We see 6, the receiving profit, and the distribution, okay? So many people are asking me, what is the biggest risk that can happen with ARBCORE and arbitrage? Okay, the biggest risk is if the exchange, one of the exchanges, the funds get frozen. Okay, but this is a temporary. Okay, this is easily fixable, and they can. It's just a matter of time. But because we don't keep more than 50,000, you see this number, guys. ARBCORE is spreading its risk and doing the diversification at its best. Okay, they don't keep more than 50,000 on one exchange. So you can see, for example, I don't see the name. Yeah, Bybit. We keep on Bybit 50,000 USDT, and we keep 50,000 USDT worth, which is 629, worth of Solana on the gate. Okay, so we don't keep more than 50,000 on one exchange. And if we got frozen on the funds on one exchange, it's just a matter of time to unfreeze these funds. And the other exchanges, the other pools that are working, simultaneously in the same time, they're going to cover. So as you can see, guys, the transaction ID out, okay, on-chain transaction ID. You can literally go on the blockchain and check. And we've done with Dr. John David, we've done independent validation through ChatGPT, where we've been checking all these numbers, we've been checking all these transaction IDs, and everything is, verifiable. Everything is traceable, which is amazing, guys. So again, don't trust me. It's all there. It's all laid out. So we have the real time, okay? On this here, you can see the real time price trend. And then I press the next one. And we have a historical completed arbitrage cycle. Sorry, guys. I just have to turn off this AC. I'm very careful with the ACs. So guys, can you chat? Is it understandable so far? I don't see the chat. Comment in the chat. Okay, great. So let's go to the next. So partners in ARBCORE have full visualization of the overall arbitrage execution process between two exchanges and their actual spread profit. Okay.
Guys,
can you mute yourself?
Yeah. I do online.
Mute all. There's more people joining. Let me just let them in and mute everyone, and we continue. Guys, I'm all alone, okay? So you have to just bear with me and don't judge me too hard. Not the best preparation, but I will do the best I can, as always. People are joining, and it's hard when you're alone to moderate, the chat, and I have to mute. Wow, a lot of people want to join. I didn't expect that. Crazy. Okay, let's go next. So partners have full access to the on-chain real-time transactions ID, to validate the legitimacy, okay, the legitimacy of each transaction. So we call ARBCORE with my business partners, okay, who are doing extremely well already with. So we call it next level transparency, guys. Never seen anything like that. I tell you, been in the space for quite a while, done really well, been one of the top income earners in different companies. Yeah, I have a lot of, to share, but today it's not about me, it's about ARBCORE. So next level transparency, it's regulatory grade in progress. So, okay. I'm muting them, and they're unmuted. I don't know why. Okay, now, so this is, guys, how it's looking in the back office. The official launch, again, of ARBCORE web version was on the 15th of January, guys. Was just on the 15th of January. And now there was a new, function that we have in the back office. You can literally, guys, see the pools, how many pools we have, okay? I believe now we have about 36 pools or more than 36 pools. And you can literally go in your back office and check all these pools, how they're doing. There will be a report, okay? There will be a report, transparent demonstration of real arbitrage pool trading. The streaming actually is coming next month, okay? The beginning of next month, guys. That's why we call it ARBCORE is a next level transparency. Nobody has done it. What Evgeny Levin, the CEO and the founder of ARBCORE, has done so far, nobody has done it. And I'm not over exaggerating. I'm not sugarcoating things. I'm actually a very straightforward and honest guy once you get to know me. Okay, so we'll have the report, operational transparency. Okay, this is coming, and the streaming, the real-time streaming is also coming. Okay, the next month. That's really amazing. But for right now, you can see all the pools, and we have in your back office. So one thing I want to tell and mention, you guys, before we launch on the 15th of January the web version, we were using Telegram mini app. And I want to tell you guys, not every country can use Telegram. Not everyone likes to use Telegram. You probably are aware of that. Oh, how do I go back? Oh my gosh, I didn't want to go. Okay, we have enough with that slide. So all the web site that it's built, you can see the quality. It's not a web site that you can buy for 5,000 or 10,000 on the internet. Everything is built. We have a very strong technical team, guys, and I think this is most important. And we have first of all, ARBCORE is a fintech company. Okay, we're not a project. We're just not another project, shiny project. We're a company. We're a fintech company registered in Hong Kong. I want you to know that. Let me see the participants, like really quick. Who is joining? People are joining. Wow, a lot of people are joining. Next time we'll have our co-host that are going to help me, like Chandra Mohan and a few others that are going to moderate, so it will be better. So why you should choose today ARBCORE? Because ARBCORE delivers. First of all, they deliver, okay? We have a very transparent and honest leadership, okay? On top of the CEO and founder himself, Evgeny Levin, who been in the space for quite some time. Just with arbitrage, he's been working with arbitrage for 7 years, guys. 7 years, he's an expert in arbitrage. And believe me, he's been going through his, growing pains with arbitrage, and he definitely knows which one works and or doesn't work. So the arbitrage spread is consistently profitable. One of the goals that Evgeny Levin want to show why everything is so simple and transparent here and visible, because Evgeny Levin wants to show that there is always arbitrage spread on the market consistently, okay? So if there is always arbitrage spread on the market consistently, there will be always, profits. And that gives a lot of big confidence to the company itself, because they deliver. Actually, the daily net spread, the daily profits doesn't fall under this number, 1.07. Actually, it's never fall under this number. So there is always arbitrage spreads on the market. So the minimum that the company actually, promise and deliver is 33%, okay, monthly. Guys, who does it? And you can just join and, be part of it with as minimum as $50. And the minimum auto withdrawal is just $10, guys. Not $50. Minimum is $10, guys. So again, let me I will just read it. So some people don't like to read. We don't rely on market volatility. This is very important. People are asking me, okay, but Bitcoin is falling down, everything is falling down, Ethereum. We don't rely on the market volatility, guys. Remember, we are not doing spot trading and we are not doing futures trading. Arbitrage is a totally different business model. And the more you are with us, the more you learn, okay? This is a systematic approach. We analyze the market, filter orders, place profitable listings, minimize risk, and scale the results. The difference between buy and sell prices can be as high as 0.25%. Again, oh my gosh. I don't know, how can I go back that slide? Okay, I think
You can click back arrow in the keyboard.
yeah, I'm clicking, but it's not clicking.
No, page up, page up.
Where?
Page up, there is an arrow called page up, page down. You can click page up arrow
I don't see it.
in your lap.
Remote control. Okay, let me just check again the participants. A lot of people want to join, and I really understand and appreciate that.
Click on unlock the meeting. Those people will be able to join just right away.
What should I click?
Unlock meeting on participants.
I'm in participants right now.
Right click.
Mute all upon entry, play, join, and leave sound. Lock meeting. No. Enable waiting room, lock meeting, hide. What? I don't have unlock a meeting.
So it means that it's enabled and everyone can just join right away.
Yeah. It's enabled.
Okay.
Okay. It's a waiting room. Yes.
Okay, just make sure of that.
Okay. So, okay, guys, the second thing that is very important after the transparency is the legality, okay, about ARBCORE. ARBCORE invoice, it's giving for each deposit with as minimum as $50, it's giving you invoice. It's called like a contract, okay? Investment confirmation via invoice. The invoice specifies the investment amount and outlines the time frame for fulfilling obligations. This document confirms that the company's commitment to the investor, okay? Any amount invested into arbitrage is verified and documented through an invoice. A regulation, the ARBCORE.capital app and website operate under the management of Capital Co.Ltd. Okay? This is a private limited company regulated under Hong Kong law and jurisdiction and authorized to conduct cryptocurrency exchange activities. Among other things, it is licensed to exchange up to 10 types of digital assets, including the buying and selling of crypto through licensed pricing providers, cryptocurrency trading platforms. This fully complies with the requirements for legal arbitrage operations conducted through ARBCORE. Okay, a little bit more about the trading contract. The trading contract defines the terms of the arbitrage partnership. Clients participate in the arbitrage using assets such as USDT, okay, Ethereum, and we just got our Bitcoin today live. So guys, congratulations everyone. From today, guys, everyone can participate with Bitcoin. And I believe the minimum deposit is as much as 0.05, guys. If you can comment in the chat. Guys, do you know already how much is the minimum? Am I right? 0.05, right? So contract obligations, clients receive profit totaling of 250% of the amount that is under management, including with the initial investment and involved in the arbitrage. So clients receive profit totaling 250% of the amount that is under management and involved in the arbitrage operations. That's including the initial investment. Obligation time frame based on the calculation of average arbitrage returns. The obligation under the contract will be paid in full within a period of 3 to 5 months. Okay, guys, approximately 3 to 5 months. Okay, that's the goal that the company wants to pay actually as fast as possible. And with why we add Ethereum and Bitcoin, why we're interested, I will tell a little bit more in a bit, because they give more spread, so they give more daily profits. And we've been watching for the last 2 weeks. For example, Ethereum been giving on average like 2.2% daily, okay, which is amazing. I think it's really amazing. Guys, comment in the chat. Isn't that amazing that we have an Ethereum and people can compound and stack their Ethereum cryptocurrencies, and from today they can compound and stack their Bitcoins, guys, because I believe that we are still early and we are before the next bull run, which will be amazing, okay? I don't know exactly when, but when I have this information, trust me, I would share. Let me check the chat. No, let me just add more people first. 70 people. Guys, how does it go, the presentation? We good? Are we good? Solid, amazing. Yes, 0.05. Yes, 0.05 minimum. Okay. Thank you. I'm doing great. Good work, my brother Kiko, killing it from Colombia, guys. We literally just launched Colombia, guys, and yeah, with Colombia, the whole South America, guys. South America is big, it's coming, and I always, dream not. Okay, I always dreamed, to have a global, worldwide, wide team, and it's happening. Thanks God, all grace to the God and to the great leaders, the people who trusted and believed in my vision. Okay, they let me, lead this time. Show the path. Lead this amazing, blessed journey. Okay, that's enough. Let's go to the next one. So a client may terminate. Wow, guys, this is amazing. Just listen carefully, okay? You have 100% guarantee back, guys. Nobody does that, okay? A client may terminate the trading contract at any time and receive payment of the amount due according of the terms of the obligation stated in the invoice. I would just put a small correction. After 30 days, okay? Your deposit should work at least 30 days. So emergency happen, you need immediately your money, okay? So you'll get your full initial investment. So if you have made, okay, just a little bit explaining, if you have made in 30 days 30% profit minimum, okay, on your 1,000 deposit, you get $300 profit back already. So if you terminate your contract, you'll just receive the difference, okay? 100% deposit back, which is amazing, guys. Comment in the chat. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that brilliant? So the company doesn't hold any money, guys. The company actually delivers and gives so much more than any other company can do. We have the best leadership on top of Evgeny Levin. We have the best technical team. Everything that you see on the back office on the website, it's synchronized with the Telegram mini app, and it's just the top notch. Okay, everything is just handwritten. It's handwritten. It's just top notch. Everything running really professionally smooth. Nothing is lagging. This is the best technical team that I ever worked with. Okay, let's go to the next one. So partnership, okay, we have a partnership program. So the first bonus that you can get, which is really sweet and nice, and people loves it, it's a 5% direct bonus. Okay, that's it. You just get 5% from direct bonus. It's also very important, and I'll talk really soon, that you focus on your directs. Something else. Yeah, this is enough. Let's go to the next page. So the first was the 5% of direct bonus, yeah, that we get, and then we have the 10%. Okay, let me talk a little bit more in detail what this is. Actually, this is our highest income earner, guys. I want you to pay like a really close attention, but you can participate only when you are qualifying for the ranks. Okay, so the minimum, the first rank is bronze. Okay, guys, everyone who's serious should not stay at the bronze. Okay, you should definitely level up and try to reach to silver and gold, because if you're growing team, as your team growing, your income will grow. So let me give you a little bit explanation. So ARBCORE is a simple and automated system. Everything that you see in your back office, it's fully automated, okay? And it's run also by bots. Progression is development is stable. The program uses a ranking model that determines the depth of the level from which you receive daily accruals. Upon closing each rank, you will receive a reward, okay? So you earn 10% of your network income. So the more your team volume grows, the more your network income will be, the more you earn. So what rank advancement provides? So this is crucial. So pay close attention. What rank advancement provides? Why you should rank up, not stay in bronze or silver forever. You're opening new levels deeper, okay? Each rank opens to 3 levels, okay? And you should understand this is very important, because our marketing plan here, compensation plan, it's not binary and it's not uni-level. It's a matrix 2x2, okay? Force matrix 2x2 and uni-level, okay? Hybrid. This is the best compensation plan that I also seen in my 11 plus years in network marketing, guys. And comment below, guys, in the chat, who loves this marketing plan, guys? Isn't it great, guys? Just comment in the chat. Do you love this matrix uni-level hybrid that we have here, guys? It's just amazing. Comment in the chat, guys. Is it so far, understandable? Okay, we will have a Q&A at the end, like 10 minutes, not going to hold much of your time. Okay, amazing, very simple matrix structure, just fun, love it. Yes, it's great. Yes, from Philippines, love it, amazing. This is amazing. Wow. So many. Wow, guys, we are blessed, guys. I'm so blessed you're here today with me, and you're so blessed to have ARBCORE. Okay, let's comment in the chat, guys. Blessed, the word blessed. I believe Evgeny Levin and what he created, the company that we have with such a transparent and real product, it's a real blessing. Okay, and my major goal for 2026, guys, it's a made decision. Okay, and I want you guys today to make this decision together with me. I want you to live a debt-free life in 2026. Already in this year, 2026, it should be it should be your debt-free life. Okay, so comment in the chat debt-free 2026, please, guys. Okay, don't buy more expensive stuffs, don't have more expenses. Okay, I want you actually to become, that should be your major goal. Okay, debt-free, because the more debts you have, the more you are not free. Okay, and I'll share a little personal story, personal thing, guys. I don't like to brag and tell a lot about myself, but why you should listen to me really carefully today and closely. Because I've been already a seven-figure earner in this industry. As I mentioned, I've been a top income earner in different companies before. Yeah, I've been blessed. I've been an early adopter, okay, since 2017 in crypto. So I've been blessed, okay, and been doing really well. But in the last 3 years, I had my own expenses, and I had to pay $5,000, guys. $5,000 I had to pay out of my pocket from my savings for 2 apartments, okay, that I bought. So from now on, if I'm going to buy a new, real estate and property, I want to pay it full cash. I don't want to be dependent. I don't want to have debts. I don't want to feel like every month that I have to pay 5,000 USDT, 5,500 actually dollars every month. Okay, because these debts you don't feeling free, guys. It's not good feeling. You have to you feel you're like it's like a chains. You feel not feeling free. You feel obligated that you have to pay, or else will be a problem. So I want everyone to write it down, okay, or write it in the chat. The 2026 year, you will live a debt-free life. That should be your major goal. And when you're debt-free, you become financially free. That's when you become financially independent, and that should be your goal. And I don't regret about. I've done some interesting things, funny things, but I don't regret about anything. And even that I bought these 2 apartments, even that I had to pay every single month. I need to pay out of my pocket this 5,500. But I'll tell you, it sucked, and all my savings. Yeah, it took all my savings, guys. And I'll tell you guys really honestly that before ARBCORE, I was struggling financially. I was actually working as a personal trainer, okay? Since 2017, I was job free, okay? I was job free. I was, financially stable, but it's happened just before I met ARBCORE and started in ARBCORE. I got employed, okay, as a personal trainer. So guys, I want you to be debt free. And the goal is to be also, when you're debt free, you'll be financially independent. So, okay, enough about that. Let me mute these guys, and let's get to the presentation. Oh, Abong, Professor Abong is joining, of course. Okay, let's continue to the next slides. Okay, so let's give example how the program actually works. Suppose you have the silver level open, and your structure has gathered 20,000 USDT already. You have 2 active partners, a personal deposit of 1,000 USDT, and you have up to 112 partners in your debt, up to 6 levels. Okay. The system tracks the full amount of profit earned by your partners and automatically credits with 10% of the total, roughly, which will be like roughly 35 USDT per day. As your structure grows, new ranks unlock, giving you access to a deeper levels of the network. More levels counted means higher daily earnings and increased withdrawal limit. So more levels counted means higher daily earnings and increased withdrawal limit, which is really amazing. Let's go to the next one. Let me read it really quick in the chat. I actually like this presentation because I like to get feedback from you guys, and we kind of get the feedback, and we kind of how you say, to be more entertaining. Correct my word, guys. English is not my mother's language. I speak 4 languages actually, so I like that we have more. It's not just I talk, that we have our chats and entertainment together. So this is the ranking table, okay? And again, as I said, it's a structured system, 2x2 matrix, guys. Remember that. Once you're ranking from bronze, silver up to a grand, you'll be qualified and able to unlock up to 21 levels deep. And I want to talk about it because it's a matrix and how matrix is built. I want to tell you a little bit and really pay close attention, okay? Like really quick, again, how do you qualify for bronze? Everyone knows how to qualify for bronze, right? Comment in the chat, how do you qualify actually for the bronze if you're understanding? First, personal deposit should be 250, and then you should have 2 minimum personal partners, okay? 2 minimum directs with as much as 500 USDT. Everyone understand this? And you're bronze. And what gives you bronze? Bronze unlocks from first to third level, which maximum partners can be in your matrix 14 people, okay? Only 14 people. So bronze is little, it's not enough. That's why you should not stay in bronze. You should try to level as soon as possible to silver and gold because you're unlocking more in depth. What gives you silver? Okay, so it will be the same like about silver, okay? 1,000 personal deposit and 2,500 USDT should be in your directs. Minimum 2 people you should have. And then you're unlocking 112 people already will be in your matrix, which is much better than 14 people in your matrix. Do you agree? Okay, let me check. From all indications, how long can this system run without hitches? Okay, we'll get to the questions after that at the end. So silver is great, but gold, okay, the middle gold, okay, the golden, like how say, the golden middle or the middle gold, which I recommend everyone to try to rank as soon as possible. It's to gold for every leader who is committed and his team is going to grow. You need to reach as soon as possible to gold. It's just personal deposit of 2,500 USDT. Ranking here is simple, and I will tell you this is one of the best compensation plan and marketing plan that I've seen, because ranking here is simple. It depends first on your personal deposit and it depends only on your directs, okay? Even total volume doesn't matter, okay? Your total volume will be growing eventually. So ranking here is simple. So gold, what do gold gives you? Gold gives you unlocks up to 9 levels, from first to 9 level, which is really great. And 896 people will be in your organization matrix. I want you to pay this attention. And you can withdraw, maximum withdrawal limit in 24 hours will be 3,000 USDT. Guys, who would like 3,000 USDT daily? And I'll tell you guys, when you're making 3,000 USDT daily, you're set up for life already, guys. It's a blessing. ARBCORE is it's a blessing, guys. You are blessed. So 3,000 USDT, actually, this is like a $1 million already yearly. When you reach to that, and you can reach to that even with gold, yeah, you are blessed. Your life will change immediately. Let me just mute, just mute the new people that join. Where are they? Okay. So once you understand how matrix is built, it's become like simple, okay? Many people don't understand it. And this is like most important and crucial, why you should be ranking up and what each rank is giving you up, what each rank is giving you. So let me talk about Grant, why Grant is important. And that's, I'm about to hit Grant like really soon. We have actually our very honorable leader, Professor Obon from Nigeria. He just hit it, the highest rank, in the company. And the highest rank in the company, let me tell you what is giving you. It's unlocking all levels. And why it's so important? Because in your matrix, you can have maximum partners 3,670,000. The biggest team volume, the biggest team numbers that I had before was 20,000. Okay, I was like 5 years back. So here in ARBCORE, you can have a 3,670,000 organization, guys. Isn't that amazing, guys? So you can build a massive, large empire, guys. So guys, we're building our empire with ARBCORE, literally building our empire, and we're going to bless millions of lives. I truly believe. God bless everyone, who is part of ARBCORE and who is on this Zoom today, guys. This is an amazing journey to be. I want to see where's the participants. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay. So, okay, we were talking the 5%, the direct bonus, that's the first one. Then you get the 10%. That's the, the profits the profits from your team, okay? That you're earning 10% from the profits of your team. So the bigger the volume, the more you earn. And then this is the second bonus that I really like very much and love it, the cashback. And I want to talk about it a little bit. The cashback bonus actually starts from a network volume when you achieve $10,000, okay? So the cashback will be exactly 2%. On $10,000, you will receive $200 back. And once you're growing, and they're coming actually very often, once you're growing, your team is growing like really, drastically fast and big, reaching these levels like 25,000, 50,000, and then you're just stacking these, cashbacks. And one small correction. When you reach 25,000, you don't get a total of $500. Yeah, you get total of $500 cash back, but because you reach already 200, you just get the difference. I want you guys to understand this like really good. So the higher your network volume, the higher will be the cash back. So 2% of the volume you receive. So this is amazing. So let's go to the next one. So 4 ways to earn from ARBCORE. We have a passive income and active income. Actually, I love this presentation. It's again coming from our very honorable and top one leader who is leading the winning team global, Dr. John David. He created, so all credits to him, guys. Comment below if you're familiar and know Dr. John David. Say the word grateful. Just say the word grateful for providing us with the best tools, with the best leadership. Everyone who is part of the winning team global, guys, you are blessed, okay? So comment below in the chat the word grateful, okay, for what Dr. John David is doing, okay? He does like a weekly, once or twice, Zoom meetings, and he does the best. Like his presentations are top notch, okay? The best presentations. So we have 4 ways to earn in ARBCORE, okay? We have the arbitrage trading, okay? That's the passive, that's the automatic. Everyone can qualify for it. You don't have to invite anyone and don't have to build, because it's a real company with real product, with real founder, okay? With real pools, with a real arbitrage, okay? I want to see it in the chat. This comment. Grateful to Dr. John David. Yes, guys, the word grateful. It's I would say, guys, I would tell you like this, guys, the words blessed, grateful are maybe the highest vibrational words that you can use today. So the more often you use, the more you're raising your vibration, guys, and you're in this vibrational state, very high vibrational state, positive. And miracles in this state, you start to be as a magnet, money magnet, opportunity magnet, people magnet. You just become naturally attraction. You become naturally attraction. What is the word? You become naturally attracting people and opportunities. So the word grateful, blessed, I want to see it more today, guys, because so the other income, the ways of earning we have. So first I'm going to talk like really quick, summarize about the passive income, arbitrage trading, fully automated profits. So minimum deposit, okay, we're summarizing it, 50 USDT. The profit daily is from 0.07% up to 1.7%. We've seen it, even 2% we've seen, okay, on the USDT. Minimum auto withdrawal is $10, okay? It's automatic. As long as you have $10, it's sending it to your directly to your wallet address. Reinvestment profit, yes, you can do it, and it's again as much as you as minimum as you have $10 USDT, you can reinvest and compound. And compounding interest is one of the best, tools that you can use also today for generating more income. So contract obligation, 250%. Okay, example, capital, you deposit today 1,000 USDT. Total return will be 2,500. Okay, capital plus profit. I love how detailed it is, guys, how straightforward it is. Everything that Dr. John David is doing it, he's like a straightforward. Like I'm personally like self, okay, from the beginning. So ROI, okay, we would say like a 5-6 months, okay, to be more correct. So let's go next one. So capital rotation, can be twice per year or more. So, but we have Ethereum, okay? And the minimum deposit of Ethereum is just the half Ethereum, okay? A lot of people, once we launched the Ethereum, personally myself, we also deposited. Because why we choose Ethereum? Because minimum profit daily, it's been from 2% up to 2.5% daily. So there is more spread and that's more profit. So minimum auto withdrawal is 0.1 Ethereum. Reinvest of the profits, yes, you can do it as long as you have 0.1 Ethereum. Contract obligation, the same, 250%, okay? Example, capital 1 Ethereum. You deposit 1 Ethereum, total return, you get 2.5 Ethereum, okay? You get it because you deposit in Ethereum and you get 2.5 Ethereum, which is really amazing. If Ethereum grows, your profit also grows more. So again, capital plus profit, ROI 2.5%. ROI 2.5 months. It can be faster, guys. It can be 2 months. Why choose Ethereum? Because the company pays you faster, and that's the goal. If the company pays you faster, so they earn more. Okay, the company earns. So you can rotate. Capital rotation can be 4 times per year and more, I believe. So the next one, active income, you have the 5% direct bonus. Okay, example, referral deposit 1,000, you get it 50 USDT directly, in your back office that you can, withdraw. Then we have the 10% network commission from network profits. Okay, and you need to be qualified, rank up. Example, total network volume $100,000. If arbitrage profit average daily 1.2, that's the average that the arbitrage been doing, 1.2, 1.3%. I witness it. Okay, so you'll be making, the team will be making $1,200, okay, profits from the 100,000 deposits. So you will be making 10% of the 1,200, which will be $120 daily, which is really amazing. Just on the team volume, 100,000, you will be making $120 daily already, guys. And for a leader, strong leader, successful leader, 100K volume, it's really simple and easy. So the third active income is 2% cashback. Okay, the 2% cashback, which I really love it. Okay, it's my second favorite after the 10% network commission. So 10% cashback from the network volume. And example, total network volume, you have $100,000. Cashback 2% will be a total cashback of $2,000. Which you can also immediately withdraw to your personal private wallet. So again, guys, let's go to the next. Wow, I just love this slide. Okay, this is really amazing. So guys, we have the ARBCORE arbitrage trading, fully automated system, fully automated profits. So the arbitrage trading itself is the heartbeat of ARBCORE. Okay, so it's the central source of the income. Okay, the arbitrage trading is the central source of income, so it takes care of the performance, of the health, okay, of the heart, and the security. And this is amazing. Real arbitrage, real transparency, real results. So ARBCORE survives on real arbitrage profit. Okay. So architecture built for long-term stability and sustainability. For people who ask me how long-term and sustainable it is, everyone wants to know that, because we have a real arbitrage, that is sustainable and profitable. The architecture is built for long-term stability and sustainability. So this is what I was talking like earlier, okay, guys, to you. Join us 30 days worry-free, guys, you have. Because you get, you know, the invoice, and this is how it looks, the invoice. Okay, it's in Chinese and translated in English. So after 30 days, you can terminate your contract. And you get 100%, you know, guarantee back. And because you terminate your contract after 30 days, you know, emergency happened, we all understand. You're going just to get the full 100% of your initial. You're not going to just, you're not going get any extra. So I want you to understand that. So the client has the right after 30 days to terminate the trading contract early and withdraw the remaining asset according to the contract terms. So 100% capital back guarantee, guys. Nobody does it, okay? I've never seen it since 2017 in crypto, and I've been in the MLM space over 11 years. Nobody does it, especially in the crypto space and the trading. So we have a trade smarter, grow faster, okay, with ARBCORE. I want to see how many people are still left. 60 people, okay. So I believe the presentation is going well. Yeah, it's understandable. Guys, comment in the chat. Is it clear? The word's clear, guys. Okay, I will send you. Wow, Dr. Michael, I'm so grateful also to see you here. I remember your story. I remember your first Zoom. Dr. Michael from Nigeria. I believe you're doing well. You're blessed to have your mentor and as a you know, Professor Obong and Dr. John David. You guys are in the right place with the right people in the right time. Okay, guys, you all are magnets. Yes, you're money magnets. Okay, with ARBCORE, you're opportunity, you know, your blessings and your magnets for others. Okay, Daniel, you're doing great. Okay, thank you, Vlad. Okay, I'll share the recording. Maybe I need to cut it off because it will be a little bit long. Thanks, Vlad. Nice presentation. Guys, I like to interact. The more you interact with me, the better will be the presentation. And I want you guys to feel like to be present. Okay, this is more important. The more you're present, the more your brain will understand and process the information and remember it. The most important. Okay, please remember to drop the recording. We'll need it. The best, Vlad. Okay, thank you, Dario. Great to see you here. Thank you. Let's me continue, guys. It will be a little bit longer. It will be more than 1 hour, but definitely, guys, it's worth it. Okay, your time is worth it, and your time is appreciated. So we have very simple 3 steps to get started. So first step, sign up. Click the left referral link. Okay, the person who invited you today, guys, go back to them and ask them for the referral link. Don't come to me. Okay, I'm doing already great, and I care about my leaders and my team. The more I help to my team and my leaders, the more they grow, okay? So the person who invited you today here, guys, you're blessed. Go back to them, ask them for the referral link. So first step is very simple. Click the referral link of the person who sponsored you. Okay, you register, okay? You do the registration, email, password, okay? Confirm password. Verify a referrer name, okay? The step 2, very simple, which is you deposit, you select the asset, USDT, Ethereum, or from today, guys, you have the option Bitcoin. We're going to add it here. So tap deposit, okay? Okay, top up. In our back office, it says top up. So press top up, okay? Tap deposit. Select the network. On the web version, we have a BEP20, we have the Polygon network, and we have even the Ethereum network. And top up, okay, just deposit. That's simple. This is step 2. And then step 3, okay, this should be step 3. We'll correct it. Then we have a button that, guys, you have to press it. If you don't press it, don't ask tomorrow why there is no profits, okay, no trading. Tap the auto trading button. Everyone who is new, who just did their first top up, they'll have this auto trading button. So you have to press it. It's necessary to activate the arbitrage trading. And there will be a counter, which will be the bot automatically will be looking for the next pool available, you know, to add your funds, to send your funds there. So 3 simple steps to get started. So step 1, I like how, again, everything is so detailed and so professionally done by Dr. John David, okay? You obtain and click the referral link, okay, from your sponsor, the person who invited you. You register an account. This is how it's looking. You enter a valid email. You verify the affiliate key is correct. Enter the password and confirm the password. Tap create account button. Everything is like so simple and straightforward, laid out for you guys. So then you have you log in into your account, enter the registered email, enter the password, and tap login into your account button auto. Guys, please always be serious and responsible. Write it down on a piece of paper, or also your email address, login information and password, that you don't lose it, okay? But even if you lose it, we have a recover. We can always recover, guys. Don't worry. So the next step is refer name, okay? Tap the profile icon, confirm the refer name exists, okay? Guys, when you tap the profile icon, you should confirm, okay? You should confirm the referral name exists. Here it is. My refer. It should be the person exactly who invited you, guys. If you don't see it immediately, contact the person who invited you, your sponsor, and it will be fixed. Don't worry. Do not proceed with funding if referral name is empty. Reach the support for assistance or to your sponsor, he'll help you. Okay, let's go to the next one. So guys, step 2 is select asset, USDT, Ethereum, or Bitcoin you can have. So it says in the back office, we have deposit. It's actually tap deposit. That's correct. It's not top up, it's actually deposit. Tap deposit, select the network, okay, and then send the funds. Very straightforward. And this is how it's looking. Select the preferred network from the drop-down menu. Copy the address and proceed the deposit. If you're using USDT tone, okay, the open network, guys, very important and crucial. You need to insert the copy and copy the memo. You need to use the memo ID. Caution, pay attention. For USDT tone, ensure to provide memo ID to prevent deposits, delays, or loss of fund, because or else the team need to do it manually and it will take longer time. We don't want to lose any more time. So let's go to the step 3. Auto trading. That's how it's looking, actually. That's what I was talking about, guys. Enable auto trading. So you will see this button, auto trading. It's actually button, guys. Everything that you see in your back office, it's clickable. So you need to press auto trading to activate the arbitrage trading. This is crucial. This is necessary. And then it will be sending the funds to the next pool. Everything is actually written. Everything is described like perfectly what actually is happening, okay? Assets, you can see it here. Assets receiving progress. Then after that, it will be, searching, for the next pool, it will be a counter. So yes, with ARBCORE, you trade smarter, grow faster. So that's amazing, guys. That's the end of the presentation. I don't want to make it any longer. I don't want to share my back office. I can do it next time. That's not the most important thing. I think the presentation itself today was the most important, and it was guys, comment in the chat. Wasn't this amazing? Is it clear? Comment in the chat, guys. It's clear 100%. Clear enough. Okay, thanks to Dr. JD for everybody who invested in USDT Tone. Don't forget, yes. Okay, clear, guys. Comment in the chat if it was clear, and we can move on to the next part. Yeah, the meeting will be a little bit longer, but it's definitely worth it. Still 59 people on the call. So you want to proceed to the, best to use BEP20 network. I agree. Guys, you have any questions, you can comment in the chat. Okay, 5-10 minutes. We'll have a Q&A, like really quick. to acknowledge everyone who is here, you know, to appreciate and respect each one of you. And guys, if you have questions, raise your hand, okay? And behave. If you're not behaving, you will be removed and blocked. Okay, hackers will not come. Clear and well presented. God bless. Michael Pagasa, thank you. Excellent presentation from Michael Santos Hilario. I believe, sorry, Miguel Santos Hilario. I believe you're in the team, of Kiko. Yeah, my friend Kiko from Colombia. Where are you from, Miguel? Guys, raise your hand if you have any questions. Oh, more people want to join. I don't see any hands. Is anyone raising hands, or it's nice and clear, guys? Oh, Dario invited you. Okay, amazing. Miguel Santos, Hilario, where are you from? I believe you're from Latin America. How does the ROI is calculated? Okay. Great presentation. Jason from Zambia. Okay, nice. Welcome, Jason. So to rank up only means to have more people in your network, correct? It does not affect your 10% payout. Oh, from Dominican Republic, Miguel, amazing. Dominican Republic in the house, that's amazing. We're reaching out to so many countries, guys. Literally, when we launched the web version, more than 150 countries visited our website. I believe we have more than 60 countries, active partners from more than 60 countries today. And we have our fastest growing team actually is international team, English speaking team. So let me, how does ROI is calculated? Okay, ROI is calculated based on the, daily, on the average daily returns we get from the arbitrage, okay? So the minimum, spreads and profits that we been receiving, it's 1.07% daily, and on average is 1.2% daily. So it's coming from the spreads. So to rank up only means to have more people. Yes, rank up first. Number one thing, it's your personal deposit. It's very important to rank up. So if you want to reach a bronze, it's very easy. You need 250 USDT personal deposit and 500 USDT in your directs, okay? And you will be a bronze. If you want to rank up for silver, you need 500 personal deposits. Correct me if I'm wrong, and 1,000 USDT in your directs as well, and so on. Gold and next one. Guys, is everything nice and clear? Like no questions? Nobody's raising hands? Wow, I'm amazed. Usually people are raising hands and like eager, to talk and ask questions. Maybe you're tired, guys. If you're tired of this presentation, guys, comment in the chat. You're tired and exhausted. I'll try to keep it shorter next time. Hi, good eve from New Zealand here. Well done on your presentation. Can you clarify on active income when we use Ethereum in investing? Can you clarify on active income? Okay, we've been watching. We had Ethereum now for the last 2 weeks, active, and we've been watching it like it's on average 2.2% daily on average. So your contract of 250% will be closing much faster than if you're investing in USDT. Is it answering your question? From all indications, how long can this system run without hitches? Okay, I can answer like this. Today, our ambassador, Marika, okay, she's a Russian speaking. We are all under her. The team volume today is about 3,600,000, okay? About that one. So we have 36 pools. If one pool is 100K, we have 36 pools. Many times that I've been on Evgeny Levin with Evgeny Levin on the leadership calls, and I'm even part of the leadership council where I get first-hand information. Evgeny Levin mentioned many times that today the company already today is capable to operate 1,000 pools, guys. 1,000 pools by 100K 1,000 volume. So 1,000 pools by 100,000. How much is that, guys? Comment in the chat. $1 billion, right? Comment in the chat. How much is that? 1,000 pools by 100K. If each pool is 100K. Comment in the chat. How big is that? Nice, it's good. It's always, let me see. Nice, it's Dr. Michael. It's good to always keep it short. Say 45 to 50 minutes. Yes, I agree. Then 10 minutes question and answers. Yes, I agree. If you have 100 and 150 in Ethereum, do you qualify for rank up warriors from Ghana? Yes, you qualify. But Ethereum can fluctuate, okay? If Ethereum can drop, so your rank can drop. I want you to pay attention because Ethereum is a not stable coin, can fluctuate from the market. So today you can be bronze. You have 250 USDT, value total. But if Ethereum drops more, your rank will drop. Okay. What is the 1,000 pools, guys, by 100K? Is it 100 millions? Or 1 billion? Correct me. 100 million. Okay, 100 million. That's amazing. So the company has the capacity here with 100 million already now to operate it. But the goal of Evgeny Levin is 10,000 pools. How much will be 10,000 pools? Okay, 10,000 pools by 100K. 1 billion. Okay, that's 1 billion. That's the major goal of Evgeny Levin. And I truly believe the company has the resources, the capacity, because the company itself is very scalable. I want to explain you how we scale up. Each quarter, the company is adding 5 to 10 new, exchanges. Okay. Currently, we have already more than 40 exchanges. Okay. So the company is adding every quarter 5 to 10 more exchanges. So that's one of the strategy. So the more exchanges they're adding, more we're scaling. So the more funds are coming, more exchanges the company is adding, to send these funds directly to the exchanges. And the more pools they're opening. So 1 billion. Yeah, that's the major goal that Evgeny wants. So I like the words. Like that's also my personal goal. I try to visualize it like every day. I see the potential. I see the capacity that ARBCORE will be like a $1 billion company. Like it's very, very, very potential. It's a very high chance. 1 billion. Even 100 million, guys, trust me, guys, everyone will be blessed. It's amazing. But 100 billions, that's the major goal. Okay, more people are joining. Crazy. I should be ending the presentation. So, guys, is there more question? Okay. Any more questions? Someone wants to raise the hand, or we're finishing. We're going to wrap it up. There is a new feature of Call It of Partner Boost. Yes, guys, Cyrus, this is really amazing. Okay, like really quick. How can I? Yeah, I'll have to share. I'll have to share my screen. Yes, we have a Spanish-speaking. Yeah, we have a Spanish-speaking leaders in our team. Like, reach out to me. Yeah, and yeah, or Dario. Yeah, Dario invited, and I will help you. So let me share my screen like really quick again. Okay. So yes, we have this new feature, like really quick, and we're wrapping up, guys. We're ending the presentation. Is it working? I hope my session finished because I didn't use it like for so long.
Sorry, sir. Can we ask question?
Yes, Dr. Michael, proceed.
Yes, so there's an aspect I wanted to understand. The minimum deposit of $50, does it apply for the Ethereum and Bitcoin also, or just for the USDT?
Just the 50 USDT is just just for the USDT. The $50 is just for the USDT. The minimum for Ethereum, guys, correct me, was it 0.5? Yeah, half Ethereum. For Ethereum, half Ethereum, and for Bitcoin is 0.05. Guys, comment in the chat, please, someone for me that people get it clear.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any other questions, Dr. Michael?
Not okay. Not. I don't have any other question yet. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. You're welcome. God bless. So yeah, minimum Ethereum is 0.5. Minimum Bitcoin is 0.05. Thank you, Chandra. Amazing assistation. So guys, we're wrapping up. Like nobody's raising hand. So again, guys, I feel blessed for you to be here today with me and staying for so long. How much minimum deposit USDT in BEP20? It's just 50 USDT. 50 USDT. So guys, thank you very much. We really appreciate it. Each one of you. We're really feeling honored, guys. I'm grateful. I'm grateful for each one of you. 57 people stayed, and I believe feeling not so tired. I believe it was definitely worth it. Your time, my time. Next time I'll be more prepared, and I'll try to do the presentation shorter. It was my first time, guys. Don't judge me like too hard. But again, we're grateful to have you here today. If you like everything that you heard today, guys, don't hesitate. Reach out to the person who invited you, who sponsored you. It doesn't cost much. It's just the 50 USDT, okay? Try it. Better try than not try. Only when you try, you have the taste, okay? You have the experience. So better try than not try, guys. Okay, Professor Bong, love guys. I love you. Every time when I see this comment, I really appreciate you. We're really honored to have you here. Real company, real owner, real product, real pools, real exchanges, real assets, real arbitrage, 100% real transparency, real honesty, real owner, real integrity, real results, 100% real consistency, okay, real stability, real scalability, real winners. That's what is ARBCORE. Thank you, each one of you, for participating today with me. God bless each one of you, your families, your friends, and your nations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Grateful to have you, Professor Bong.